101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart FM. Hi guys.
Hi.
Yeah, as usually every Tuesday we have a special program, Smart Up Your Life, talking about special topic week by week with special community, our community, BPEC. Okay, bye guys. BPEC.
Wow,
bright and breezy.
Okay, clap hand first. Yeah, as I mentioned just now and explained about as every week we have a special topic, and of course, and our topic tonight is a very interesting to discussing with our friends from BPEC. And when we're talking about our topic, this is very related with our interesting, absolutely to be successful people's absolutely have to looking find what their something inside they have, like something powerful, deepest, tallest, biggest things, and unbeatable things that they have. And that's why our topic tonight is very related with this my explanation. And our topic tonight is
Find your passion.
Find your passion. And as I mentioned just now, that passion actually is like something very great, the biggest, the deepest things in inside in our life. So if we know what we passion, of course, God willing, we will be successful in the future. So let's play. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
But before we are going to talking about our topic tonight, maybe one of you guys can explain what is BPEC itself. Maybe you, Firda, you can explain what is BPEC itself.
Okay, so guys, BPEC is the oldest community in Makassar. So we also conduct our meeting in every Sunday meeting that we call Lovely Sunday Meeting. At Fort Rotterdam, start from 10 until 2 a.m. And we have several items. The first one is Who Am I? That Who Am I is when you are as a newcomer or new participant in BPEC, you should introduce yourself. And the second is ice breaking. And next is D&D, discussion and debating. And of course, every Sunday we have a new topic. Of course, that is interesting topic. And next is building skill. Next is entertain, and the last is announcement. So guys, if you want to learn English, you can come to our lovely Sunday meeting at Fort Rotterdam.
Wow, nice. And what about the charge? Should we pay to join?
No, it is free.
Wow,
so you can come.
Yeah, that's why. Okay, come. smart listeners and smart viewers. Yeah, come. Okay, by the way, our topic tonight is find your passion. Consists of 3 words. Yeah, find your patience. But the keys is patience, right? Okay, I want to start from Samantha. Yes. Have you ever heard about this term, and when?
Find your passion. Yes, obviously. I've heard this thing a lot of time.
Okay.
Especially when I listen to podcasts, because I like to listen to podcasts, and I like to hear about like motivational thing. And this kind of topic is one of the like frequently I heard. So
this is familiar for you?
Yes,
okay.
It's familiar for me.
Okay, what is on your mind actually? What a passion?
For me, passion is something or emotion that inside ourselves, that the thing that we like, we love and desire to do.
Okay.
Yes. So yes, I think it is passion for me.
Do you know your passion right now?
Actually, I am in the age of still looking for my passion, so I try the new things and maybe I'm not really.
Okay. You're still looking
exactly.
fine,
yes,
right? Okay.
I'm still looking for my passion.
Actually, that's normal because it's not easy to find our patient. But keep your statement. I want to move to Yusril. What about you, Yusril? Have you ever hear about this term, and how frequently you hear?
Actually, this is a familiar term that I always heard, like patient. But if we talk about find your patient, this is the first time I heard about that and I discuss about that. So yeah, that's for me that's very crucial thing and interesting topic to be discussed. And what next?
What is on your mind about patient?
In my perspective, passion is something that we really like, that we really into it. Like passion is something that you think that you are better in that, so you can sacrifice many things to do it. You don't care with the payment or something like that. So you don't care with someone judge you about that, but you love it. So you always do that in every single situation.
You love BPEC?
Yeah, of course. I love it.
What about Smartfm?
Yes, of course.
Absolutely.
100%.
Absolutely. Okay. Actually, when we're talking about this term, when you begin to hear about this, about many years ago, or maybe since you was child, or when?
I don't really sure the exact time, but it's probably I hear that when I was in maybe elementary school or primary school.
Oh, really? Wow.
Patient.
Maybe you hear fashion, not patient.
Yeah, it's kind of a similar term.
Yeah.
Fashion and patient.
Yes.
Patient.
Okay, but keep your statement. Yes. Keep your statement. I want to move to Firda. Have you ever heard about this, and how frequently you hear this?
Okay, so actually, the first time I hear of patient, the word of patient is when I was in senior high school. You know, when I want to move, when I want to jump in college, that I still confused with I still don't know what is my patient.
Okay.
So I browse in Instagram in many platform that what is patient, because I still don't know what is patient. You know, when I was
Is fashion you wear?
that is patient.
What is on your mind about patient?
Okay, patient.
Yes.
Patient is something that it's about what we like and what we enthusiast when we are do something. I think when we do something that no matter what other people say to us, like brother Yusril said before. So yeah, it's really important to everyone to know the patient, what their patient.
So you have you don't have limitation to do that. That's why you call a patient.
Yes.
Something like that. Okay, but keep your statement. We will continue. Actually, what about you, brother? Who is your name?
My name, James.
James. Okay, sorry, I forget.
It's been a couple years we never met, so maybe you forget my name. Okay.
Can you reintroduce yourself to smart listener and viewers?
Okay, good evening, everybody, especially from the Smart 101.2 FM on tonight. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is James, and I'm part of BPEC since I was in the high school at 2017, which is 5 years ago. But until today, I'm still joining as part of them. Even though recently I rarely attend to the Sunday weekly meeting because I've got so much busy, especially on my Sunday, and in one side I almost complete my college, which is at 7th semester. So that's why at a recent time I rarely attend the Sunday weekly meeting. Okay, to the point.
Nice. Yeah, back to the point. What is actually patient on your mind? But keep your statement. We will be right back after this. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia.